So I have another idea. I'm gonna just have it randomize the pitch of this, and I want to import another sound. I'm gonna import another grabby. Let's do the catch light. Can I import both of these? I'm just gonna import both. Okay, so we got grabby 1. Let's change this to grabby 2. And let's change this to grabby 3. And now from this I like it. I'm very, very happy so far. Now let's see. Are any of these things something that we want to change? This one we're randomizing pitch. I don't see why we don't want to randomize this pitch. And it's super simple. So let's enable it. Let's do the same. Negative 100, 400. Okay. And what's this one sound like? Let's see. This one's really low. So I'm just going to make a max offset of 500. What? Did I not randomize it? What am I doing? Here. Huh. Enabled. Okay. I think that's just too much random for this one. Alright, now I think I don't know if I like this one. Let's see what they sound like all together. Terrible. This last one is bad. Bad! Yikes. I don't like this one. I just don't like it. These all, I like these. These all sound very nice to me. Alright, so let's just go with this. Alright, so now we have ball grabbies. Before we can actually use this, remember, we need to create an event. Because these are just the, think of these as like the template to define what sounds we want. And the events here, these are the interface to actually invoke the event. So let's see, we need to make a new event, a new empty event, a new post event, game parameter, trigger. I don't remember. What are these? Play cage. These are all events. I just want to make a new event. New event. We'll call this ball-grabby. And we need to add a sound Can we just drag it in there? Like, what? I think so. Ball-grabbies. This all looks good. I think this is good. Is that really all we need to do? I think it is. It might be. Alright, so now that we have our event, ball-grabby, now we need to export everything. So we hit this generate all. 0 errors. Cool. And now if we go to our ball lord, let's just do some sound maintenance, make sure that we got all this. So let's go into our sounds. Now, I'm not really clear on exactly how this works, but I am going to refresh all banks, generate selected sound bank for all the platforms, and then just for good measure refresh all banks, because it doesn't sound like it's going to hurt. So let's go here, and now instead of this, we want to make that ball-grabby sound. So I want to Audiokinetic. I want to do a post event. That's what it's called. So let's see. Oh, there's ball-grabby. It worked. And now we can attach what made that sound. And in this case, the ball made that sound. Static mesh component, not compatible with actor object reference. Alright, this is the mesh. I want my blueprint component get a reference to self. So the basketball component itself, not the mesh inside it. Okay, I mean, is this it? Let's give it a try. Okay. It's working. I like it. Cool. Why is everything really dark over here? I gotta fix that. Nice. Okay. Well, that's a lot less time. Okay, so that was like a half an hour. A half an hour. That's not so bad. I'm happy with that. I didn't even have more time. I have to think about... Okay, so I got my ball-grabby sound. The most fun part about finishing something is taking it from in progress to done. So that's like done. Another thing I don't like... Alright, I gotta remember to do that. Upgrade Wwise. That's also done. Now, let's see. I need to fix just the sounds in general. I don't like how when they overlap like that. So, sounds are janky. when they overlap. Also, is this a bug? It's kind of like an optimization. I thought I added optimization to this, but I don't see it anymore. Remember, this pink one. Where did it go? There we go. Optimize. I would also call it a bug because it's terrible. Like, it's unacceptable. Since I'm working on sounds, I should just figure that out now. But that's definitely something I needed to do, and I feel like it's a Wwise thing because I don't get that problem when I'm using a sound cue from Unreal Engine. It doesn't sound crappy at all. It sounds kind of nice. So I'm not sure why. And I also I don't know how else to explain it, but like when I hit the cage, sometimes it'll like fade out strangely and go, and I get like weird. It just sounds bad. Here, I'm going to do it again because, I mean, I guess you could just rewind it and hear it. But. See?